Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix game crash, server errors, banning from the server, because I was having a really bad issue on World of Tanks and Call of Duty games, especially with bad IP address, old one. And first we are going to run CMD with admin rights. I will leave these notes in description. So let's run CMD, right click as administrator, yes. So we will type in ipconfig space/release. So just copy paste, press enter, and that's it. If you are not having internet connection, that's normal, that's why everything is on description. Then type ipconfig space/flushdns, copy paste it, ipconfig space/flushdns, press enter. After the flash is done, then just type ipconfig space/renew, copy paste, press enter, and now you should have your internet connection back. Type exit, press enter, and that's it for now. Now let's open network and sharing center. To go there, first open control panel, find network and sharing center. You have here internet, click on that, properties, then you will have internet protocol type 4 TCP/IP version 4. Double click on that. Down there, use the following DNS server address. Then we will just type these ones. So 8888, alternative 8844. Press OK. OK, close. So that's it. I hope this was helpful to you, and if it works, just smash the like, share this video, and of course subscribe. See you then.